Then the third step is whether or not to get pre-qualified or pre-approved. There's two different things here. Pre-qualified means you're going to supply the lender with your overall financial picture. Often this can be done over the phone. It's a pretty quick procedure. Not as valued as pre-approved, but it's a good first step. So this gives you an idea. This is kind of what I can afford. This is kind of that ballpark that I can look at. But if you want to go a step further, you can get pre-approved, and that's an official mortgage application. There might be a fee that goes along with it. There's a very extensive credit check, and you will know what you can borrow and possibly the interest rate that you would be qualifying for. Again, both of these are very, very valuable. This, obviously, if it's in the early stages, you can do this. But if you're really in that market and you think, I really think this is what I want to do, the pre-approved is a great idea. Couple reasons. Number one, it tells you exactly what you can approve, what you're approved for. But I think the second thing is it gives you a little bit of ammunition when you go in and you're making offers on homes. Because you can go to a seller and you can say, I'm going to put this offer in, and I have no financial contingencies, and we'll talk about contingencies later, because this is what I can afford. The bank says they will approve this, and so I can pay this right now. And so if they've got other people that are making offers that can't provide that same documentation, you've got that documentation. And it gives you, I think, a leg up over a lot of people. So either one of these, I think, are really good. Obviously, the pre-approved if you're really definitely in that market for buying.
How soon should you look at being pre-qualified or pre-approved? Like if you're looking at a house, buying a house in the next year or 6 months, or is there a good?
I guess I would say if you're just starting out looking or you just want the idea of what you think you can afford, I would first get pre-qualified. And then I would say once you're actually looking at homes and like serious about making an offer, then that's when you would want to get pre-approved. Because typically your application is only going to be good for 120 days. Okay. So if you don't find something within that time frame, and the loan would actually have to close within 120 days, then you'd have to start over with a new application when you do find something.
Is that a pretty quick process then to be pre-approved?
I mean, you'll know the answer if you're approved pretty much right away after you provide your, mostly you need to provide your income documentation and we'll pull your credit report. And as long as those two things check out, then we'll be able to tell you an amount that you're pre-approved for. And then once you find the property, then an appraisal has to be done, and that's kind of the other piece that takes a little while before you can actually buy the house. Typically it's about I would say at minimum like a 30-day process from the time you put in an offer until you can close on a home. Sure. And probably 45 days is preferred from the lender's standpoint. It may be up to 60 days depending on the property.
Okay, yeah, that's helpful. Thanks.
Okay.
Great.